Hello and welcome to OneStepNow, my product review and YouTube content creator channel. And on this video, I'm going to tell you all about my new drone pad, which I like very much and use with my Mavic Air 2, which I also like very much. I have a 100 use review video of that drone on the channel, as well as plenty of example videos on my other YouTube channels. I have 5 YouTube channels, so I've been doing it for a little while, and having a drone really changed the game for me. But this pad, because I go to the beach a lot to fly my drone and I need to have it up off the sand, this pad has been a game changer. It's about 20 bucks on Amazon. Look in the link in the description if you want to get one. I'm glad I did. It is the StartRC drone landing pad, universal apron apply to most surfaces. So this is a type pad which can be easily taken along. I take this in the bike a lot, and because it's about the same size as the drone pad, it's the drone case itself, it really works out great. So let's take a closer look at this. Okay, so it comes with this bag, and it's actually a surprisingly sturdy bag. Surprised by that, but one of the things I noticed right away was that it has these little plastic caps meant to connect the two strings together, and one side broke off in shipping. Didn't bother me at all because it doesn't need to be a tight seal there. The pad itself, it opens up. You can see it's still got sand on it. It opens up into a rather large surface. It fits the Mavic Air 2 drone right in the middle there without it going over those outside dashed marks. It's got one blue side, one orange side, and I found it to be very useful. It's waterproof. Areas that mark the white strips here looks like it's attached really well to the drone pad itself. So I'd really recommend this. It was well worth the less than 20 bucks I spent in it. So that's my review of the StartRC portable drone pad. I'd recommend you get one. I have one and enjoy it quite a bit down in some very harsh conditions, which are the salty, sandy beach environments that I take it to quite frequently. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe to OneStepNow.